start tayo ng recording for the second part. So itong link na to is ibibigay ko sa inyo uh, for the short circuit calculations. So dito sa file na to or dito sa page na to, so this is actually a PDF copy. You have short circuit calculation both for three-phase load, so this one, and for the for the single phase short circuit load. No? So, paano natin siya gagawin? Actually, this is very, ano na naman, no? Step by step. So, step 1 is you get the KVA rating ng um, KVA rating ng transformer na gagamitin nyo. So, kung ano yung KVA rating ng uh, nung transformer na nasa poste. Nakadepende yun mostly dun sa load na kailangan mo. So, dapat enough yung KVA rating para sa supply na gagamitin sa inyo. Pag residential, medyo kahit tumingin lang kayo sa taas ng mga kung ilang transformer yon, no? And kung ano yung rating na makita nyo yun doon. No? But since most ng mga warehouse may sarili talaga silang transformer para dun mismo sa supply lang nila. No? Yun yung titignan nyo kung ilan yung kailangan niya. And nakadepende yun syempre dun sa total load na meron yung warehouse nyo or yung um, kung ano man yung building na supplier nyo. No? So that for this particular sample, ang system A niya has 1.5 kVA transformer for 80 volts. So yung transformer niya mula sa 1.5 down to 400 ampere switch dito and saan pa siya bababa? 480 volts to supply. 1.5 480 volts. This is a three-phase load with 3.5% impedance, no? And 3.5 45% reactance and 0.56 resistance, no? Then ang importante lang dito pag nilagay niyo siya dyan is itong calculation na to. This is just the list, no, of um, kung ano yung meron dito sa ano natin, from poste then to your load side, no? So 1.5 times 1,000 kasi ka KVA yun, no? Divided by 480 pababa doon kung anong voltage mo times 1.732 since this is a three-phase load. No? So that's the square root of 3, 1.732. And you will get your ILL. No? That's 1804.3 amperes. No? Then, yung multiplier natin, kunin natin that simply 100 divided by the 3.5, this one, no? Times 0.9. No? Constant yun. No? So, that's 31.746. Then, mula doon, multiply mo ngayon siya doon sa ILL mo, or line to line yan, you will have 57,000 to 79, no, for ISC. Then for the motor contribution, that's 4 times 1804. That's 7217 ampere. Then total short circuit for RMS is 5729 plus 727 is equals to 64,496 ampere. Then, after nun, ulit tayo sa step 4 for the fourth fault X2. So, bakit step 4 kagad? Kasi first step at uh, 1 to 1 to 3, no, is yun yung gagamitin nyo for both fault X2 and fault X3. Ayun yung mga requirements mo dyan. So, yung makikita nyo dyan, 1.732, 25, that's the distance, no, nung transformer dun sa main load nyo. 5729, this one, ISC. Then divided by 22185. So, saan galing si 22185? So, si 22185, dito nyo siya makikita sa baba. No? Mayroon tayong table dito of impedances. No? Sorry, C value para rather, no? Which is 22185. That is for the 500 kc mean. No? 22185. Times 1 times 240, which is yung voltage na bababaan niya. No? That's 240 volts. So that's 0.239. Oh, wait lang, sorry. Napunta sa single phase bigla. Dito naman tayo sa 480. No? 480 volts. No? 6 is actually this one. No? Yung 6 conductor per phase. No? So mula doon, you have the value of M, which is 1 over 1 plus 0.0388 ang galing dito sa F value nyo. No? So that is 0.9626. Mula doon, yun yung gagamit yung multiplier for the 57279 na ISC. You will have 55,137 ampere. Then sa motor contribution, ganoon ulit. No? And total SC for RMS is yung 55,137 plus the motor contribution. That's 72, dito 62,354 ampere. Next, for X3, ganun ulit. So you have 1732, this time 50, yun yung distance nung load side yun, no? Times 55137, this one, uh, divided by yun ulit, times 1 times 480, and yun, step by step na siya for 3 phase. Susundan nyo lang yan. And for single phase naman, hindi ito yung single phase ito. Ganun din, no? Kung gusto nyo hanapin kung ano yung mga value dyan, especially this 14774, andun ulit yun, no? Sa C value. C value. That's for 3K mil, 4774. 3K mil. So, 3 phase to, single phase to. 3. That's 477. Susundan nyo lang to, and this would be your um, short circuit analysis. And ang nilagyan lang po ng short circuit analysis no is yung main load nyo papuntang utility. Yun lang, no? Hindi nyo na kailangan lagyan ng per panel board. No? So isa lang si short circuit analysis. So yun lang. Thank you.